Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn the introduction of the number system. Introduction of the number system. Okay. First of all, what is a number? Number is a mathematical object used to count, measure and label. Number is a mathematical object used to count, measure or label. In Indian system, numbers are expressed by means of symbols. Indian system or international system, numbers are expressed by means of symbols. Observe here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. These are called digits. Here 0 is called insignificant digit and remaining digits are called significant digits. 0 is called insignificant digit and remaining numbers 1 to 9, these are called significant digits. In Indo-Arabic system or international system, we use 10 symbols, namely 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are called digits. These are called digits. In mathematics, 10 digits. Okay. Next one, number or numeral. A number is denoted by a group of digits. For example, 35, 3 and 5. These are 2 digits. 273. Here 3 digit number 273. 273 is a 3 digit number. Okay. So this one is called numeral. A number is denoted by a group of digits is called numeral. Here 35 is a 2 digit number. 273 is a 3 digit number. Okay. Next one. Observe here. Here 35. 35 is a 35. In the words 35. Numbers are expressed 2 ways. In words or digits. Words are digits. We can express a number in 2 ways. First one is notation. Second one is numeration. Notation, numeration. What is notation? Representation of a number in figures is called notation. Representation of a number in figures is called notation. Numeration. Expressing a number in words is called numeration. Expressing a number in words is called numeration. 35. THI-RTY 30. F5VE5. So 35 is expressed in words, that is called numeration. Okay. Sometimes numbers expressed in words, sometimes numbers are expressed in figures. Okay. So next one, almost universal used today base 10 numeral system. Almost universal used today base 10 numeral system in mathematics operation. In mathematics operation, this is decimal system or metric system. This is decimal system or metric system. Second one is binary system. Here only 2 digits 0 and 1 used in this system. This one is called binary system. Present we use only metric system. Okay. So metric system, in the metric system we use 10 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These 10 digits used in this system. Okay students. This one is the metric system. Observe the screen. This is my Android app, Satvir Academy. Download from the Google Store or Play Store and install this app. In this app, class 10th, class 9th, class 8th, class 7th, class 6th, both mediums, chapter wise video links and study material, previous question papers available in this Android app. So, and subscribe my channel, like this video. Okay, thank you. Share your friends and your brothers or sisters also. Next one. In a number, every digit has 2 values. In a number, every digit has 2 values. One is the face value, one is the place value. In any number, every digit has 2 values. One is the face value, second one is the place value. What is face value? What is face value? For example, observe here 479. 479. This one is the 3 digit number. Here 9 is the 1 digit, 7 is the 1 digit, 4 is the 1 digit. So 9 is the 1's place, 7 is the 10's place, 4 is 100 place. So the place is changed every digit. Okay. So what is the face value? The face value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself. Face value means the digit itself. Value of the digit in a number is the value of digit itself. Okay. What is the face value is not depending on the place. Not depending on the place. For example, 9 face value is 9. 7 face value is 7. 4 place value is 4. Okay. Face value is not changed on the position. Okay students. Next one, place value. Second one is place value. The place value represents the position of a digit in a number. The place value represents the position of a digit in a number. The place value of a digit in a number depends upon its position in the place value chart. Place value chart. For example, 9 place value. Place value. Place value of 9 is 9. Second one is place value of 7. Place value of 7. 7 is the tens place. So 7 times of 10, that is equal to 70. That is equal to 70. Place value of 4. Place value of 4. 4 is in the 100 place. So 4 times of 100. So 400 is the place value. So therefore face value means at that digit itself. Place value is the depend on the position of the digit in the number. In the number. So place value is equal to digit multiply with place value in the place value chart. Observe the place value chart. Here first one is ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, 1 crore, 1 crore, 10 crores. This one is the national system place value chart. Second one is international system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. These two are the same. In the international system, 100,000s. 100,000s is equal to 1 lakh. Next one is 1 million. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. Okay. So 10 millions, 100 millions, billion, 10 billions, 100 billions, trillion, 10 trillions, 100 trillions. Okay. This one is the international system. Okay. Students, place value chart, national system and international system. So place values depend on the position of the digit in the number. Okay. Next one, in the mathematics, 4 fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These 4 are the fundamental operations in the mathematics. Okay. Next one, types of numbers. In mathematics, different types of numbers. The first one is the natural numbers. Second one is whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, real numbers and complex numbers or imaginary numbers. These are the different types of the numbers in the mathematics. Okay. First one is natural numbers. Observe the screen. Natural numbers. All counting numbers are called natural numbers. All counting numbers are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by n. Natural numbers are denoted by n. N is equal to the set of elements 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, dash, so on. So these are the natural numbers. Here the dots are indicate the continuation of these numbers infinitely. The dots indicate the continuous of the numbers infinitely. Okay. The smallest natural number. Observe the natural numbers. 1 is the smallest natural number. 1 is the smallest natural number. The difference between any consecutive natural numbers is 1. Consecutive natural numbers is 1. The largest natural number is not defined. The largest natural number is not defined. Okay. So natural numbers are, counting numbers are called natural numbers denoted by n. The smallest natural number is 1. Next one, second one is whole numbers. Second one is whole numbers. All counting numbers together with 0. All counting numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by W. Whole numbers are denoted by W. The set of whole numbers W equal to set of elements 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. These are the whole numbers. The smallest whole number is 0. All natural numbers are whole numbers, but 0 is a whole number, not a natural number. 0 is a whole number, not a natural numbers. Okay. So next one, the smallest whole number is 0, not defined. The largest whole number is also. Okay. Next one, integers. Third one is integers. All counting numbers, 0 and negative of counting numbers. All counting numbers, 0 and negative of counting numbers are called integers. The set of all integers are denoted by Z. Z comes from the word, German word Zahlen. Z comes from the German word Zahlen, which means to count. Which means to count. So here all natural numbers and negative of natural numbers and 0 is also included. These are the whole numbers. So write 0 is the middle, right side positive numbers, left side negative numbers. So Z is equal to, observe the set of integers. Okay. So next one, the sum of positive integer and corresponding negative number is equal to 0. Observe the screen. Any integer and corresponding negative integer, their sum is equal to 0. For example, 4 plus of minus 4 equal to 0 and minus 7 plus 7 equal to 0. Okay. These are the integers. Next one, negative integers are usually written as negative sign. Negative integers are usually written a negative sign. Next one, positive integers 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are called positive integers. Next one, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. These are the negative integers. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are non-negative integers. Non-negative integers means 0 and positive integers. Non-positive integers, 0 and negative integers, these are called non-positive integers. Non-positive integers. 0 is less than any positive integer. 0 is greater than any negative integer. 0 is less than any positive integer. 0 is greater than any negative integer. Okay. These are all are integers. Next concept, fraction. For example, 4 apples divided 2 persons. 4 apples are divided 2 persons. Each person has get 2 apples. For example, 4 apples divided 3 persons. 4 apples divided 3 persons. So write this one is 4 by 3. 4 by 3. So this one is the fraction form. So a fraction means a part of a group or a part of a whole. Fraction means a part of a group or a part of a whole. In the fraction, the top number is called numerator, the bottom number is called denominator. In the fraction, for example, 4 by 3, 4 is the top number, this one is called numerator, 3 is the denominator. Okay. Examples, 4 by 5, 8 by 3, 9 by 4, these are the fractional numbers. Fractional numbers. Here fractions are 3 types: proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. The numerator is less than the denominator. For example, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 1 by 2. Here numerator is less than denominator. These are called proper fraction. Okay. Next one, 3 by 2, 4 by 3, 7 by 5 and 6 by 6. Here numerator is more than denominator or numerator denominator equal. These are called improper fraction. Improper fraction. Numerator is more than or equal to denominator. These fractions are called improper fraction. Next one, mixed fraction. A whole number included a proper fraction. 3 1 by 2, 4 1 by 3, 5 1 by 2. these are called mixed fraction. These are called mixed fraction. Okay. Next one, like fractions, unlike fractions. Two or more fractions have same denominator. These are called like fractions, otherwise unlike fractions. Two or more fractions have same denominator, different numerator. These are called like fractions. Different denominators, these are called unlike fractions. Okay, these are the fractions. Next concept, rational numbers. Next concept, rational numbers. Here a number can be expressed in the form of p by q. A number can be expressed in the form of p by q. Here both p and q are the integers and denominator q not equal to 0. Both p and q are the integers and q not equal to 0. These are called rational numbers. These are called rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted by q, capital Q. Q means quotient. Q means quotient. Q is equal to the set of p by q. P and q are the integers and q not equal to 0. This is the rational numbers form. Okay. For example, 5, 0, minus 2, minus 5 by 6, 8 by 9, minus 7 by 11, 1.055. These are all the rational numbers. Okay. Next one. Observe here p by q. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 10 by 3, 4 by 5. These are all the rational numbers. So, numerator and denominator both are the integers and q not equal to 0. This is the rational form. Here 1 by 2 change to decimal form. Decimal form. So, 0.5. 0.5. Next 3 by 4 change to decimal form. Divide 3 by 4. 0.75. 0.75. 10 by 3. This one is changed to 3.333 and continuous. This one is right 3.3 bar. 4 by 5. 0.8. 0.8. Another number 10 by 2. This is equal to 5. So, these are all the rational numbers. This one is also rational numbers. Okay. So, rational numbers in the express p by q form are terminating decimals or non-terminating recurring decimals. Terminating decimals or non-terminating decimals. These are called, this one is also called rational numbers. Rational numbers, one form is p by q form, another form is decimal numbers or terminating decimals or non-terminating recurring decimals, also rational numbers. Okay. These are the rational numbers denoted by q. Next one. Every rational number can be either in the form of terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating decimals or recurring decimals. Every rational numbers can be either in the form of terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating decimal. For example, terminating decimal 3.2, 4.59, 5.676761. These are the terminating decimals. Non-terminating recurring decimals 5.36 bar, 9.65425 bar, 25 bar. Okay. Every rational number can be represented on a number line. Every rational number is also represented on the number line. Next concept, property of density. Property of density. We can find infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. This property is called density property. For example, 3 and 4. These are the two rational numbers. In this lies between 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 and so on up to 3.999. Okay. Here 3.1, 3.2, 3.11, 3.12, 3.13 up to 3.199. So, in any two rational numbers between so many rational numbers, this one is called property of density. Property of density. Next one. A is any rational number. A is any rational number. The multiplicative inverse of A, 1 by A. Multiplicative inverse of A equal to 1 by A. A not equal to 0. A not equal to 0. For example, 3. 3 is a rational number. This reciprocal or multiplicative inverse is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Or additive inverse. Additive inverse is minus 3. Okay. Irrational numbers. The numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q. The numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are both are integers and q not equal to 0. These are called irrational numbers. A number can be expressed in the form of p by q, that is rational number. Cannot be expressed in the form of p by q, that is called irrational numbers. Irrational numbers can be written as non-terminating non-recurring decimals. Non-terminating non-recurring decimals are called irrational numbers. For example, 1.01, 001, 0001, 00001 and so on. These are the non-terminating non-recurring decimals. And root 3, root 2, root 5 and pi. This one is also irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Every irrational number can be represented on a number line. Rational numbers and irrational numbers also represented on a number line. Next one, real numbers. Next concept, real numbers. The collection of both rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers and irrational numbers together is called real numbers. Real numbers are denoted by capital R. Real numbers are denoted by capital R. R is equal to Q union Q dash. Q union Q dash. These are the real numbers. Rational numbers and irrational numbers both are together is called real numbers. Okay. Next, observe here. First of all, natural numbers. In the natural numbers, 0 is included whole numbers. Negative natural numbers included integers. Fractions and negative of fractions are included rational numbers. Irrational numbers, all are included real numbers. All are included real numbers. Okay. Next one. Last one is complex number. Last one is complex number. A complex number is a number that can be expressed in the form of a plus ib. A complex number is a number that can be expressed in the form of a plus ib. Here a and b are real numbers. I is a solution of the equation I square equal to minus 1. Here I square is equal to minus 1. I is called imaginary number. I is called imaginary number. Okay. A number can be expressed in the form of a plus ib. This one is called complex numbers. A and b are real numbers. I square is equal to minus 1. Okay, thank you students. These are all the different number systems in the mathematics. So like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.